Storm Callum is brewing in the Atlantic, impacting the UK on Friday and Saturday. Now, the storm was named by Met Aaron on Wednesday morning, and the strongest, most damaging winds are most likely to be across the Republic of Ireland. But there will still be impacts across the UK with strong winds and, it looks like, especially some very heavy rainfall. Where's the storm at the moment? Well, as I said, out in the Atlantic, several hundred miles away. This massive cloud is the developing storm. It's already started to intensify. Why? Because it's being picked up by the jet stream, that fast-flowing ribbon of air high up in the atmosphere. And that jet stream will continue to intensify, Callum, over the next 12 hours as we go towards the early hours of Friday morning. Let's just pause it there. First thing on Friday, just look at the number of isobars now coming out of that storm. Most tightly packed across the Republic of Ireland. That's where the strongest winds will be. But still, across the UK, we are expecting gusts quite widely of 40, 50, possibly around coasts, up to 60 miles an hour, which is why we have yellow warnings in force. That could cause some travel disruptions, certainly some disruption to ferry services, and there will be some very large waves. Bear that in mind in coastal areas. Now, the storm itself doesn't make a direct impact on the UK. It steers to the west of Scotland. But as it approaches here, we could get another pulse of strong winds later on Thursday across that northwest corner, where gusts of wind could reach 70 miles an hour. So yes, strong winds from Callum, but as I suggested at the start, the heavy rain could have a bigger impact. Let's just rewind and look at this band of rain coming in on the storm on Friday and then run through 36 hours. And just look how the rain just keeps on coming across these western parts of England, Wales and southern Scotland. Now, we're particularly concerned about the rain building up across South Wales. Over the hills here, we could easily see 100, 150, maybe up to 160 millimetres of rain, which is why we have that amber warning in force across parts of South Wales. Other areas under the yellow warning could, again, over the hills, see 50 to 100 millimetres of rain. And the kind of impacts that we could see, again, travel disruption in the amber area, while small communities could get cut off by that flooding. So make sure you stay up to date with the very latest on the weather warnings. Do that through the Met Office website or download our app.